Hi everyone, my name is Arina. So today I'm going to show you how to put Skylight to your ceiling. Okay, so first thing first, remember you need to make sure that your ceiling is completely empty, whereas there's no any other function to your ceiling. Okay, so make sure there's no ceiling function or anything to put Skylight. So to put Skylight, you can just go to library and then you search for Skylight. Okay, you search for Skylight and then you make your view into 2D view, and then you drag this one and position it to the way that you want. Okay, and then you can see it is cut through. You can see the hole, so you can resize it by dragging the small cube, the blue, blue, green, and also red. Okay, you can resize it manually. Then to check, you can just use 3D or walkthrough. Okay, so you can see the skylight to your ceiling. Alright, so you can just use from your cloud library. Alright, that's all from me. Thank you.